Welcome back to our channel. So we're in another trip, and this one is glamping in the Lago de Tota, which is in the region of Boyacá. It's beautiful here. A bit cold, but inside the little houses, it's pretty warm. We really like that it's pet friendly. This room fits up to 4 people, so it makes it really affordable. And it includes breakfast. I think I said that already.
And it includes a sunroof glass ceiling where you can see the stars at night. Right up there. So that will be nice to see. Office, and behind you, you can see the little globe dome thingies.
This is like the restaurant. You can play right there. Beautiful sunset happening right now. And breakfast is included, and they also have a restaurant which opens at 6.
Bienvenido a nuestro globo.
I'll take it. Oh, it's cold, it's cold.
Yes, I've come to rob your bank, and I've come to take your dimes and swipe your nickels.
Step aside, you silly pickle! Keep on doing.
In the spirit of Christmas.
Almost spelled the vino. It's not even vino. I think you with it more than like it. Careful, doggy. So dark. Careful. What?
Breakfast the next morning. Gabby says it's worth the price of admission.
We had different options of egg. This is with tomato and onions. They have arepas and orange juice. Marcus got a sandwich. And finally, my mom got changua, which is a milk soup. Looks amazing. Okay, we're eating second breakfast here today. And sister is gluten-free, so you can ask for anything based on those needs and they'll definitely do it for you. I got a spinach and cheese omelet.
Ooh. Sophie, what did you get?
Scrambled eggs. So it's our last day here at the glamping, and I think it makes sense why it's the highest rated place. I think they had a lot of attention to detail, just because they had a campfire up for us, they brought s'mores, wine, and it wasn't necessarily something they told us beforehand. It's just kind of the things that they had ready for us. Additionally, the fact that it was pet friendly made it really fun to come out here. You know, we're not leaving any family member behind. It's amazing, it's beautiful, great food, quality ingredients, the view is wonderful, and it just makes sense.
And the thing that I noticed the first moment we got here is how quiet it is. You can like hear every little noise because there's no traffic nearby. It's high up and you really don't hear anything. It's very calm. So definitely we recommend any of you looking for a place to go glamping. Our first experience was great.
All right, I love that this place was very calm. It's very organized, very clean. The people were very, very nice. The dogs are amazing. And the food was so yummy.
Bueno, ¿qué puedo decir? El mejor lugar en el que he estado. Esta es mi tierra favorita, el lugar perfecto en el mundo. Y este lugar, estos glamping, fueron espectaculares. Mi mejor experiencia. Le doy 10 de 10.
thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.